I am Betty, and I do agree with a lot of the sentiments expressed at this sharing. But for me, although we had the third act, we had the fair, what was fundamental to me was the umbrella. And I'll tell you why. Because very often we do not understand the power of choice. And we can choose how we want to react to certain circumstances. And when I looked at the umbrella, it could be either rain, it could be sun. There will be life challenges, there will be different circumstances. When you open the umbrella and I looked up, it could have been raining, it could have been a thunderstorm, but there was a blue sky. So it is your lens, is how you choose to view a circumstance that really allows you to react in a particular way. So you can select and choose, using the power of choice, how to react. So when you look at the financial planning aspect of it, you can choose, do I need this or do I want this? What is giving me the maximum value for this spend? I mean, it's really an analysis and a continuous analysis and reflection on self. So for me, my vision board, I am achieving it because it's continuously refocusing and rebalancing my life. I know what I want, I know the path I must take. And coming here really is just another step in positioning my thoughts and adding clarity to the approach and the path that I have to take. Because I know what I want. I know the outcome. I am on that path. But of course, you said it, you need guidance, you need strength, you need other perspectives, so that even when it happens, and you can also help somebody to see. And that's why in my own, I can share possibilities, because I can speak to this board because it's reflective of who I am. It's not just for me, some persons may be looking at other as, not that I'm saying anything different in terms of what people may select, but at this juncture in my life, I don't need to be selfish, but it's about me. And that, in other words, it's for so much of my life, I have been in service to others. Now, others need to be in service to me. Thank you.
Just jump in, so because of time, we just... Anybody?
And yes, I am going to get this.
Anybody just jump in, I think I just say...
Well, just two things. It's amazing that somebody said that they've been on this path all the time, not understanding that's what they were doing. But when I saw the journal book, I said, my God, I've just started doing this. 2 or 3 weeks ago, I've started journaling, and here we are in the program is telling me I'm doing something right. In addition to which, what stood out in the third act speech was that women, older women, are the biggest demographic in the world. Hello, we are it. Okay? We have the power, we have the purchasing power, we have the decision-making power, and if women get together, we can really change the world.
Yeah, but that's the point, we're getting together. So
Yes.
how do we get together?
That might be a nice path to go along.
Like part 2 of the program.
Yes, I'll chat with you after. But now, you want to just say how it was for you on time?
Yeah, I can. This third act, this whole idea was given a name for the first time. I am at this point in the moment, not professionally, but I have a daughter, and the daughter suddenly doesn't need me anymore. So now I'm feeling, I mean, she is in the age that she doesn't need me anymore, but I have to come to terms with this. So just the other day I thought, okay, I have to go back to the time before everything, before I got married, before I had my daughter. So let's remember what I was like then. So that was the second act. So now with my third act, I'm I realized I can't go back to where I was at the second time, because then I would walk backwards. But I need to, there need to be a bridge to this time of being completely responsible for somebody and caring and nurturing and the whole, yeah. So now I need to bring in this, all these ideas of putting myself first without feeling guilty towards her. And I also need to, and this is my question, and this is what I thought this would do here, learn to network more. Because all the time I was so occupied and so needed. Yeah, help with the BAC, go research, talk to people, yeah, even things like this. Yeah. So now I'm not asked anymore or something like this. So I have to find this new, I mean, professionally I'm fine. And I never think about retiring because I have fun with what I do. But the private side, I need to fill with new things. And then when I hear, yes, we are the biggest demographic group, but how do we connect? Yeah, because we are everyone more or less by herself. I mean, how Louise said, she said Christmas by herself. Without the ham. And why can't we come up with something where we say, okay, you are alone, I am alone, okay, let's make two already. And let's ask the other people we know, and can't we come together?